my dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. So dear students, today let me start GK Unit 4, Animals and Nature, chapter number 29, Amazing Mammals. So students, let me know, mammals are those animals that give birth to their young ones. Mammal mothers feed their babies with their milk. Can you name these amazing mammals? You can use the clue box. Okay. Number 1. The mammal that lays egg. Okay. The mammal that lay egg, platypus. Number 2. The only mammal that can fly, bat. Three, the largest mammal on the earth, African elephant. Number 4, a famous Chinese mammal that eats shoots, giant panda. Number 5, after humans, the most intelligent mammal, chimpanzees. Number 6, the mammal that appears to swim through sand, marsupial mole. Number 7, the termite and an ant-eating mammal that does not have teeth. So this one is giant anteater. Number 8, a famous humped animal, camel. Okay, these are. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30. Desert life. The desert life is full of amazing animals and plants. So unscramble the letters to find the answers of the following. Okay, so let we start. Number 1, the plumage of the dash is the best example of soil camouflage in birds. It perfectly matches the color of the desert soil. So this one is desert lark. So the answer is desert lark. Okay. Number 2, the roots of some desert trees go deep into the ground to extract water. One such tree with very long root is mesquite. Number 3, camels can go without water for many days because they store fat as a ready-made food source in their hump. Number 4, some plants in deserts have juicy leaves or stems to store water. So immediately after rainfall, one such plant is cactus. Number 5, a small animal that can also survive without water for many days is the Jerbo. Number 6. A plant that can resist heat and drought for the longest time in the desert is creosote bush. Creosote bush. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 31. Habitat of animals. A habitat is a place where an animal lives. Different animals need different habitats. So find out the places where these animals live. Okay. Number 1, polar bear, Arctic region. Number 2, yak, Tibet. Next, number 3, nilgai in India. Number 4, zebra in Africa. Number 5, hippopotamus, Africa. Number 6, emu in Australia. Next, number 7, penguin, New Zealand. And the last one, number 8, white tiger in India. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 32. Useful plants. People have been using plants as medicines since ancient times. Read about them and find their names. Use the clue box. 1. This is a grass plant which has sweet juice in its stem. Sugarcane. Number 2. The wood of this tree is used for making cricket bats. Willow tree. Number 3, the plant that gives us fiber for making clothes. Cotton plant. Number 4, silkworms which give us silk feed on the leaves of this tree. Mulberry. Mulberry tree. Number 5, the plant that bears the largest flower in the world. Rafflesia. Number 6, this plant gives us hard and durable wood for making furniture. Teak. Number 7. The leaves of this plant are used to prepare home remedies for cough and cold. Tulsi. Number 8. This tree has aerial roots and grows in salty water. This is mangrove tree. Number 9. This tree is also called the wonder tree because every part of this tree is useful. Neem. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 33. Fear in mind. So students, a phobia is a strong fear of a particular animal, object, situation or activity. Match the term that denotes each of the following phobias. Now, number 1, fear of heights. Acrophobia. B. Acrophobia. Fear of flying. Aerophobia. C. Fear of water. Aquaphobia. Option E. Aquaphobia. 4. Fear of bathing, washing or cleaning. Ablutophobia. 4. Next one, number 5. Fear of spider. Option C. Arachnophobia. 6. Fear of colors. Chromophobia. Option K. 7. Fear of noise. Acousticophobia. Option B. Number A. Fear of dogs. Option G. Cynophobia. Number 9. Fear of crowds. Option O. Anuclophobia. Number 10. Fear of open places. Option I. Agoraphobia. 11. Fear of balloons. So the option N. Globophobia. 12. Fear of the sun or sunlight. Option P. Halophobia. 13. Fear of crossing streets. Option J. Agoraphobia. 13. 14. Fear of bats. So the option is H. Chiroptophobia. 15. Fear of sharp or pointed objects such as knife or needle. So option L. Acnophobia. And the last one, number 16, fear of blood, hemophobia. Okay? So these are the fear in mind. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now maybe let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 34. Beaks and claws of birds. So students, The structure of a bird's beak determines the type of food it is able to eat. So, the structure of its feet or claws determines their functions like grasping, scratching, etc. So, choose the correct word from the brackets and fill in the blanks. Number 1. I am a kingfisher. I have a long and pointed beak that helps me to catch fish from the rivers and ponds for food. The structure of my beak is like a spear. Number 2. I am a parrot. I have curved beak. My beak helps me to eat hard and unripe fruits like mangoes, apples, and guavas. So the structure of my beak is like a crusher. Number 3. I am a duck. Okay. I have a broad and flat beak. My beak has tiny holes called shovels at its sides. It helps me to dig the mud near the ponds to pick up worms, insects, and water plants for food. The structure of my beak is like a strainer. Next, number 4. I am a woodpecker. I have two toes pointing upwards and two toes pointing downwards, which help me to cling to the bark of trees. The structure of my claws is ideal for climbing. Number 5, the last one is I am a crow. I have 4 toes, 3 in front and 1 at the back. My toes help me to hold the branch of a tree very firmly. The structure of my claws is meant for perching. This one. Okay. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 35. Animals menu. Okay, so dear students, different animals, birds, eat different types of food, but how they eat food is sometimes strange. Some food related facts about animals, birds are given below. Unscramble the letters in the brackets to get the name of the concerned animal or bird. Number 1. It cannot eat as it has neither a mouth nor a stomach. Moth. This is moth. Next, number 2. It can eat only with its head upside down. Flamingo. Number 3. Though it can live without food, for 6 months it can eat about 3 tons of food every day. Blue whale. Number 4. It eats almost anything it gets. Okay, like baby birds, dead fish, and earthworms, rotting rubbish, etc. So this is herring gull. Number 5. If it is near water, it often washes its food. This is raccoon. Number 6. It consumes its food by wrapping itself around. This is amoeba. Number 7. Last one, found in Central and South America, it is the only mammal that survives on a diet of blood. This is vampire bat. Okay. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.